You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase in English. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary that is confusing, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as good, good, boy. English pronunciation, how to say, how to pronounce good boy, good boy. This is generally what you tell a kid, a boy who's done a good action or who's been smart. You say good boy, meaning well done, good boy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.